Psychology is crucial for understanding human behaviour, and part of transport is how humans are interacting with the networks that we build. Here we can get a quantitative measure of people's interactions with an environment, so you could actually test out a different road width, different road furniture, and see if that would then slow people down on the road, would that make them safer. We've had a student working with us who's been running out experiments in this setup to understand the visual information people use to steer, how eye movement behaviours allow the drivers to sample information, and ultimately understand better how humans interact with their environment. If we understand human behaviour interacting with others on the roads, then the ramifications are massive. In an individual, can you understand how to make them safer, how to make them concentrate, pick up the right information, behave in the right way? We think we know where we look when we drive. If I ask you where you're looking at, well, I look down the road, but actually using bits of kit like this, we can measure where people are looking, and often they're not looking where we would expect them to. So you put a billboard up on one side that attracts your attention, and you may well steer towards it. So this is the sort of findings we can discover here in the lab, which then translate into the real world. It's hard to move from basic science through to the application and changing the world. You know, there are a lot of steps there, and you can understand something very well in the lab, but how you translate that into changes to government policy is quite a long journey. So I'd hope that in 5 years we'd really be changing the way that roads are built, the way that cars are designed, the way that people interact with their cars to improve road safety ultimately.